Welcome to our presentation on workbooks, worksheets, and cells in Excel. I'm Nisankar, and I'll be your guide through this journey. Excel is composed of various elements, such as workbooks, worksheets, and cells, which form the foundation of your spreadsheet. Let's dive into each of these components to understand their importance and how they work together. A workbook is like a container that holds all your data. It can contain multiple worksheets, charts, and other objects. In this image, you can see a workbook containing a single worksheet. This workbook acts as the main file for your Excel project. Here's an example of a workbook. As you can see, it contains a single worksheet named Sheet 1. Workbooks allow you to organize and manage your data efficiently, making it easier to navigate and analyze. Worksheets are the individual sheets within a workbook where you input and manipulate data. Each worksheet consists of cells organized in rows and columns. Let's take a look at an example of data within a worksheet. This image shows an example of a worksheet containing data. Worksheets are where you perform most of your tasks in Excel, such as data entry, calculations, and analysis. They provide a structured way to organize your information. Cells are the basic units of a worksheet where you input and manipulate data. Each cell is identified by its unique cell reference, such as a 1B2 etc. Let's see how we can select a specific cell in Excel. Here's an example of selecting a cell in Excel. In this image, we've selected cell D8, and you can see its reference highlighted in the name box. Cells are where you enter your data and perform calculations, making them essential for any Excel project. Thank you for joining us today to learn about workbooks, worksheets, and cells in Excel. Understanding these fundamental components will help you navigate and work effectively in Excel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.